Hey, two crazy travelers, two crazy travelers, two crazy travelers in this crazy world.
Australia Center. Right now we're driving from Queensland, Brisbane, that is like in the center east part. Now we're going to northeast.
Subscribe.
You ready to go to the bushes, Mike? Let's go around.
I am so excited to step into this new world, a jungle explorer in a new habitat, landing in this new country. I'm looking forward to experience the new flora, fauna, and of course, new people, Heidi's family, friends, and understanding the rich mix of culture in Australia in the past and the people nowadays.
Magical worms of Australia. It looks like a star constellation inside a cave. These are the ones. If I turn the light, you might see it. But this is the pair looking like super holy, sacred ones.
Louis has a saying that he often refers to, that our future lies in our past. I think it resonates a lot when coming home to such a special place, home to the traditional land of the oldest continuous living culture in the world. There's still so much to understand and explore about our collective past and what that means for our future. But right now, I'm just so happy to be able to bring Louis to Australia at last, and I feel like there is a deep connection here waiting for him.
And here in Australia, when you walk in the forest, you don't bring your dog. You bring your trusted and most training booster. En otras palabras, guachabal.
What? I could get used to this, man. It looks like the Grand Savannah in the Canaima National Park. Next up, going to meet someone very special to me, a nature lover and a huge influencer in those days, even when I was living in the Venezuelan jungle. His message crossed many continents.
Of course, I'm not a zoo guy, but today we are gonna go to Steve Irwin's zoo. With the personality he got, I'll guess that he's really concerned about the habitat he recreates in the zoo. It's gonna be my second time I'm gonna get into a zoo. Steve Irwin Zoo next.
The message of a deep passion for nature, for animals, and belief that humans don't own Earth. We're custodians of this planet and we coexist.
Australia Center. Right now we're driving from Queensland, Brisbane, that is like in the center east part. Now we're going to northeast. We're going to Jepun, and then later on we're gonna reach the northern area of Cairns.
For more of this travel, it's gonna be amazing. So keep tuned here, mate, and see you later.
Welcome home.
Whenever I come back home, the relaxed, high quality of life on the central Queensland coast still hits me. It's pretty laid back, the immediate presence of wildlife and nature, but also has this kind of suburban quietness. And good or bad, the bogan culture. So Louis is going to fit right in.
Washing the equipment.
Now let's take Louis to Piranha Croc Farm, just down the road from Emu Park, and see how Louis handles eating crocodile for the first time.
Crocodile farm in Queensland.
It's really good. It's like
And now the big moment of introducing Louis to his new habitat, a taste of where I grew up.
Let's go to order, and I would like to order, please, a crocodile steak.
Was created the farm, all this thing about farming crocodiles in order of mass producing and in that way satisfying the industry.
Woohoo! Guys, as a chef as I am, I got the Aussie feedback. The way they care about nature, coexist, and really enjoy it. It's also a new culture that I need to experience and learn so much more with.
We are making some deconstruction of a crocodile here, of course with a Latino quesadilla style in here. So this has been marinated in Vegemite for 8 hours, fry pan with a sofrito.
It's pretty good. Yeah. It's just I'm trying to get my head past the whole crocodile bit, I think.
Just think of it as chicken.
Blood and the oil of them, mostly for the bronchitis, asthma, coffee. Besides that, it has, of course, a lot of omegas, omega-3, and the most important, vitamin B12. So, and this one is the part of Mr. John Liva, which in the videos he looks like very passionate for animals and very in love for what he's doing. So, thumbs for that. The people of Piranha Croc Farm here in Queensland. Now, let's go and check out the big crickies.
What happens here before you go on the rest of the tour. This is a particularly difficult site. We can't get in the pond and catch the crocodile, of course. We've got to stay outside the fence to be safe. And we've got to get her away from the nest. If she goes up on it like she was before, she may have crushed half the clutch, which is not good economics for us. So
you can know it's a male if he's over 3 meters, 3 meters and a half. Before that, we can't know it's a male or a female. The females don't pass 3 meters anyway.
Sure, Mama Huevo. Why not? After seeing all these animals wanting to kill you? Okay, why not? Let's go camping. Breakfast of champions.
Yeah.
For a jungle man as I am, and believe me, I hate the water, but actually I enjoy being on the water and catching my first fish ever. Not only a fish, but a shark. And you know what? The motherfucker ate half of the fish I caught. That close contact with wildlife made me feel back home. I'm very excited of what life is offering to me these days here in Australia. Here in the beautiful Great Capel Islands in the Capricornian Coast in Japan, in the northeast part of Queensland in Australia.
In our next episode, the ancient lands of North Queensland, swimming with sharks, manta rays, and don't know what the funny things else. Come with us in this crazy adventure. Ciao, ciao.